How to change ChatGPT voice to male or female voices. So first you want to open up ChatGPT application on your phone and then click on this audio logo next to the mic logo. Now you should see this right here. So you want to click on the icon on the top right hand side, which is this icon. It will allow you to choose a voice. Now you want to scroll right or left to switch voices and basically pick the voice that you want to use from these voices. And once you pick the favorite voice that you want to use, click on Start New Chat. And this should start a new chat with that voice that you've selected. Now you can simply start asking it and it will start replying with that voice. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.